toothpaste in boiling water is better than anything. The rich do it and do not tell you. To begin with, let's put a liter of water in a saucepan. Next, we will add a tablespoon of toothpaste. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Irish Cam Chicks from Boston. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Toothpaste is one of the main items for cleaning. It mainly helps in removing grease and stains. Now we will mix until the toothpaste dissolves. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. After that, we will add a tablespoon of baking soda and mix again. After I started doing this, I confess that I was surprised. Soon after, we will add a tablespoon of sugar. Always remember to mix each added ingredient. After mixing one last time, our tip is ready to use. For use, we will dip our cutlery into our mixture. Your family will. Thank you very much for making this tip. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Let our mixture boil over low heat for 10 minutes. Your dishes will be greatly appreciated for having made this tip. After time, we can take our mixture to the sink, and so using a loofah, we will rub our cutlery. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. There will be no more old cutlery. After putting this tip into practice, do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture is very effective. I'm sure you will thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home and comment if you use any other tip. After rubbing, just put in running water. That we will already notice the difference. This tip is very useful. Those who have old and aged cutlery, the shine will return to your dishes, even mixed with water, sugar, and baking soda. This tip has the same efficiency as a detergent. Do not buy new sets of cutlery. Your dishes will remain clean and with a much more pleasant smell. After this tip, my cutlery became even more valuable. My visits always ask what material is made of. I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.